Hi, I'm Margaret Warren. In this demo, I am going to use a tool in ImageSnippets to show you how valuable it can be for a human to use images to analyze reasoning chains in public knowledge graphs, such as DBpedia and Wikidata. With ImageSnippets, we parse image description into a knowledge graph using linked data and ontologies. We build inference graphs when we connect to entities from public data sets. By doing this, we can search for topics not explicitly defined in our RDF triples. Quite often, we get great results, such as this search for light source. This search reveals a number of images of various light sources, including lighthouses, the sun, and our headlamp in our car picture from the earlier slide. But at other times, we find oddities when we spot images that don't seem to belong to the search terms. This scenario is illustrated with a search for the concept of media, defined as the communication outlets or tools used to store and deliver information or data. We can see here we have over 1,600 results, but in quickly scanning through the results, which are sorted by predicate, we can see at a glance that a number of the images seem to fit the concept, but that our conveys property has returned a number of images with ice or snow in them. When we are confused by search results, we use a search paths function that allows us to see the chain of reasoning through the inference graph. Here we see that cold, which is entity number Q270952 from Wikidata here, which is the relative or subjective state of low temperature, was returned as a result for a search for media. It's a curious path. Traversing through the triples, we see that cold is a subclass of sensation, which is a subclass of detection, which is a subclass of information access, which is a subclass of channel, which is a subclass of media. So we could reasonably assume that there might be some confusion between sensation and detection, or perhaps really between detection and information access. But we're really not as knowledgeable about the Wikidata ontology. So we would prefer to detect these things and then report them, these cases, as they arise. But in general, using this find search paths and the combination of using find search paths with the ability to spot images that don't go with searches could be a really helpful technique for analyzing knowledge graphs and building better data ecosystems across the web, especially if we could make these tools be used in a more systematic way. Thank you.